Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix crackling sound issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that in your phone speakers, your sound is crackling, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to completely complete your speakers, you just have to take a toothbrush. You can use a toothbrush for this. So just completely clean your phone speakers. There might not any dust or any dirt in that. Or you can also try to go ahead to YouTube here. Go to YouTube and here go to search. You have to search for 165 Hz speaker clean. So you might get multiple videos here containing a sound of a specific frequency which is almost 165 Hz will help you to fix or to complete your speakers. Just play the sound and just maximize your volume. Your speaker will be cleaned and your issue will be fixed. But if it still not worked for you, so you can try to go to settings app, go to software update, and just make sure that your software might have an independent software update. If you find just try to update your software, after updating software, your issue will be fixed, or you can also try to make a restart. Just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. A normal restart can easily fix any software glitch or any technical error with your phone. But after making a restart, if you're still facing the same issue, so you can go to settings again, and here go to general management, go to reset, select reset all settings, and here just click on reset setting. It will not delete any kind of your phone data like your videos, your photos, your apps or accounts. It will just reset your all phone setting to default. And once you have reset your setting, if there will be any issue with your phone setting, like if you have accidentally changed any setting of your phone, so it will be fixed in this app, and after that you will not get the issue again. But after resetting your settings, if you're still facing the same issue, so there's the only way. You just have to try to fix your speakers. Like sometimes it might be that your speakers are physically damaged or broken, so you just have to try to repair your speakers. Or you can also try to change your speakers with an original new Samsung speaker. And after that, you might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.